Happy Friday, Psych friends. We made it to another weekend. Yes. And we successfully got through a lot of our learning this week. We talked about development and human development. We talked about parenting styles and the different stages we go through to build who we are as people by the time we're adults. So today we're going to do two check-ins. Two check-ins. I'm going to walk us through how to do that, and it's very easy. It's going to serve as another piece of evidence. You guys, I'm expecting everyone to have 3s and 4s at the end of this unit, okay? All right, let's dive right in. Easiest way to get to these two check-ins. Let's start at home. Like always, home screen. Scroll on down. Learning target 4. Okay. Click on that. Let it load. Let it load. All right. Our first check-in starts with success criteria 2. So click that. Scroll all the way down, and you are going to click on learning and development check-in discussion. Okay. And this is what you should see. All right, so this is a two-parter. Part 1, you're going to pick one of these scenarios. Okay, so it gives you 3 options. Pick one of them. Once you're finished with that, you are going to type a clear response to the 3 prompts. Which scenario did you choose? What theory of learning do you believe is present in the scenario and why? And then how does the situation demonstrate the learning that has occurred? So describe how the person in the scenario learned. How did they, develop? Okay, what was developed? Easy peasy. Then part 2, you're going to watch both videos. Both demonstrate a type of parenting style. You're going to watch both videos, and then you are going to describe what type of parenting style is reflected in both clips. Please use evidence, be descriptive and specific, okay? And then, number 2, how might the outcomes differ between childhood characters in each clip? So how are the two children, how are they going to be different because of the parenting styles? Okay? Does that make sense? All right, so you're going to post your reply, and then once you're finished with that, you just hit the back button one time. Wait for the page to load. Then you are going to click on Success Criteria 3 tab. Then you are going to click on Check-in to link. This is another very easy check-in discussion, but what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions for each of the, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Type a clear and detailed response to one experience from your life where learning occurred. So think back. Explain one experience from your life which demonstrates a learned behavior during your lifetime. Okay, we've learned lots of things. How do you know that the example you picked is representative of learning? You're going to kind of talk about the development that took place during the situation that you're going to describe. Describe the outcome. So what learning took place? What development took place? If you learned how to tie your shoes, discuss that. Number 3, why is the learned behavior an important example that comes to mind? And how might your life be different without that learned behavior? Okay? And so this is very much a personal experience. Just think back to a time when you learned a really, an important lesson that you use either today or that helped take you from little kid to teenager or something like that, okay? Be specific, vivid details, and that's it. Super simple activities today. This is going to set us up for our assessment that we're going to do on Monday. All right, friends, have an amazing weekend. Please be safe. It's going to snow, so drive safely. Get out there and shovel your sidewalks for your parents or guardians, and have just a relaxing, rejuvenating weekend. Bye, friends.